empowerment is about going beyond the moral compass of the society, beyond right and wrong, and finding my own path. What is empowerment to you? How do you help people taste the fruit of life too, not just the fruit of knowledge?
Truth of life boils down to happiness of the self and happiness for others. So when you say it is beyond moral compass, I think there are truths to this compass, whether we call it moral or
Immoral.
or outside of it. The compass is very clear. Violence is wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, there's just no two ways. Whether you call it morality, you want to call it philosophy, you want to call it dharma, you want to call it spirituality, call it religion. Hopefully, the religion is not prescribing violence. So, violence is fundamentally wrong, right? Yeah. The imposition of your will on someone else, right? There are three elements in human life which Buddhist texts call the poison of human life. The first is greed, second is anger, and the third is avidya, ignorance or downright stupidity. Now, cutting the chains of greed, anger, and stupidity, each one of us walks a very unique path in trying to understand how to cut these chains.
Yeah, it's individual.
Right? It's individual. So arriving at one's own truth then is, it's over the years, as I've sort of gained weight, lost weight, gained weight, I have been to a number of people, dietitians, approaches, and they've all been effective. So there's a kernel of truth, even in very different programs, let's say, right? It's what my body resonates with at that point of time, starts that, healing process, loses weight, etc. Stage of life, medical issues, blah, right? Similarly, how is it that I'm going to recognize the role of greed, anger, and stupidity in keeping me trapped, disempowered, and unhappy? There are recurring patterns in each one's life. A lot of people that I work with, or a lot of people who readers of my books, or people who write to me on social media, or reach out and ask this question: why is this happening to me? And then why is this happening to me again and again? A lot of people who move from, let's say, one failed marriage to another failed relationship to another, right? Why is this happening with me? Why am I the person who is attracting a toxic boss again and again? मैंने तो कंपनी भी चेंज कर दी, ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है कि हर बार my boss is a certain way.
So no one is actually looking inside and saying maybe we are attracting it.
Yes. There's some pattern which is at work. I am reacting to situations and to people and to bosses in a certain way, right? And that's the role that my work serves, to help people gain an insight into their patterns so that they can begin the work of transformation. I can do no transformation for anyone.
So what you're essentially saying, if I'm understanding this correctly, please correct me if I'm wrong, the fruit of knowledge is all you can get from the outside. The fruit of life is something you have to find within yourself.
Yes.
So that's...
But the how-to is important.
The how-to.
The how-to. How...
And everybody's how is different.
But I have to cull out what's useful for me, what works for me. I was given a lot of steroids when I was down with the Delta variant of COVID. Yeah, and my blood sugars have been high since then. I've been declared a diabetic, though I reversed it once. After that also, I did reverse it. But I'm back again with medicines and so on and so forth, right? So I had to learn the how to, and I'm relearning it again. And I'm learning more modalities and methodologies, and I'm trying to cull out what works for me.
What works for you? Absolutely. Not everything will work for everyone.
Yeah.
I often say that everything works.
Yes.
Every modality we go, आजकल है ना, ये spiritual retreat कर लेते हैं, यहाँ चले जाते हैं, everything is going to work. Let's read this guru, let's read that also. Everything works.
Yeah.
Like Osho says, बुद्धा चले तो वो पहुंचे.
Right.
मैं चला तो मैं पहुंचा. तुम चलोगे तो तुम पहुंचोगे.
But you got to do the hard work.
You have to do the work.
Yeah.
For me, that hard work is inner work. You know, like
Right.
recognizing and then how to bring that out.
Yes.
So, technically, coming back to the same thing,
आपने शुरू में कहा, you don't need God, you need guidance.
you need guide, yes.
Yeah. Or guidance or guides.
Yeah.
So the how to is the guide or the guidance that I'm getting, right? And I could be getting it from my child.
Yeah.
I could be getting it from a complete stranger. I can get it from a movie, a book,
Yeah.
a fiction, non-fiction,
From anywhere.
from anywhere. It's that moment of truth to say, oh shit, I've been doing this. Acha.
And how do you turn that into your own?
Yes.
Your own.
Yes.
Beautiful.